In the 90s, if you wanted to trade with real money, you didn't just open an app. You had to physically walk onto a trading floor, sit an exam, prove you understand risk, structure, execution before any firm handed you a single dollar to manage. Today, most people skip straight to risking their own rent money on a platform they downloaded last night. No tests, no proof, no process, nothing. That is not trading, that's gambling with extra steps. And in this video, I'm going to show you the modern version of that trading floor exam, one that's actually more accessible than it has ever been in history. So sit back and watch to the end, because after watching this video, you will understand that making money has never been this easy. Back then, capital was gate-kept. You needed connections, a finance degree, or a seat at a firm most people could never get near. The trading floor exam wasn't really about the exam. It was about proving you wouldn't blow up the firm's money. That gatekeeping meant one thing. The people trading serious capital were disciplined, tested, and professional. Losing your emotions on a live order wasn't an option. It cost the firm money, and it cost you your seat. The professionalism is exactly what's missing from how most retail traders operate today. So the difference between then and now is that now it is more free, it is more accessible to anybody, anywhere in the world with your mobile phone. And some people lose access to the actual professionalism that it's expected for them to become profitable traders. But just stick to the end so that I'll reveal it to you. Don't go. Here is what has changed. You no longer need a finance degree or a floor seat. You sign up with a prop firm, you prove your skill on a funded challenge, your structure, your risk management, your consistency, and then you pass and get access to real capital. You trade it, and then after that, you keep 80% of whatever you make every month. In fact, right now, prop firms even pay every 2 weeks, right? That's the future. Now, that's the same principle as the 90s trading floor. You prove yourself first, then you get funded. Except now, it's open to anyone, anywhere in the world with a laptop and internet connection. No gatekeeping, no connections needed, just skill and discipline. Now, for example, this person that is telling you this is someone that has gone through a lot of these challenges. I've tested them in USD, I've tested them in Naira, and I've even passed some of these challenges and I've gotten payouts like once, twice, almost 3 times. But that's not the main aim of this video. The main aim of this video is that this actually works. There are people who get this account and turn it to their offices, right? And I know I'm going to get to that level very soon, because trading has a lot to do with psychology. I was already on that level, honestly. What happened was some kind of shady rules that some of these firms placed that took me out, even though I was already in profit. But we'll talk about that later. Now, why this isn't the same as just trade your own money? The most important part that creators keep, right, is that when you trade with personal money, there's no structure, no test, no process. Nobody's identifying or monitoring your trade. You're not trying to meet any targets. It's just personal. So there are no boundaries, right? And because of that, you tend to fall more to your emotional and psychological bad sides. You start gambling and all that. You start revenge trading. Every loss feels personal because it's your rent. You have to take it serious, and then your heart is beating. There's no calmness and focus on execution. People actually fund money that they are not willing to lose 90% of the time. All right, that's just it. So because every loss feels personal, you revenge trade because you want to win it back. You oversize your positions out of desperation, no strategy, and you have no external accountability. No one is checking if your process is sound. This is why exactly many retail traders burn out in under a year. It's not that trading doesn't work. It's that they never separated the skill of trading from the emotional weight of risking money they can't afford to lose. That's a bar, write that down. Now, a funded challenge forces you to prove your process before real money comes and real consequences. So you are on the line. Yeah, this changes your psychology entirely. You're not gambling with your future in this point. You are executing a tested process with someone else's capital, and you keep majority of the profits, which is crazy. Now, the shift is that your mindset moves from a gambler to a professional. You used to see all these people complaining and arguing on social media. Oh, trading bet is the same as sporty bet. Trading is gambling. The only thing that will differentiate you and make you to win the argument is that you have access to these companies that will give you capital. So that when you make 20%, 10% in a month, it's easy. Nobody will carry capital and give to somebody to go and play sporty bet. It doesn't work like that. And apart from that, you showcase these things online, right? Your track record. You can even attract investors that will give you more and more capital. There are people managing billions of dollars in the same stock market that you are doing. So if you know how to manage capital, bro, that's the hack. Literally. Passing a funded challenge doesn't automatically fix your psychology. Here's what fixes your psychology. Because you can pass a funded account, and then because you're too happy, your psychology will be messed up and you will lose it after you just finish getting funded. Or the imagination that, oh my god, so that means any money I make now will now be paid to my account. And the first time I actually got funded, I lost it. But the second time I got a payout. So here's what actually fixes it, right? Whenever you get funded, sometimes you can even take break from the market for like 2-3 days. Go and chill, relax, let it sit down and register in your brain that you are now a funded trader before you come back. If not, your old psychology and consciousness that doesn't believe you are funded will make you to lose it and get back to that same psychology, because sometimes your nervous system will be shaking whenever you're about to have a big win. So there should be a regulatory system. Now, you treat every trade like it is being reviewed, because of course it's a funded account, so yeah, it is reviewed. Secondly, you define your risk before you enter, not when you are losing. For example, me, I can carry an account, calculate the total drawdown, divide it into 25 or 30, because I know I cannot lose 25 or 30 times in a row. After that, what do? I start taking the risks gradually with my tight stop losses, and boom, that's how you come out of a drawdown. And then after that, you set a target and set a limit for your trading. Trade once a day or twice a day, because when the market is bad, even if you trade 7 times a day, you lose all. But if the market is good, I mean, one trade a day can give you good money. So you reduce how much times you trade a day and split it over many days, because the cycle of the market will always come back to normal. And then you track your progress, not just your profit and loss, right? Next thing, separate your identity from the outcome. A loss on a valid setup isn't failure; it's just the cost of doing business. And if you have gone far in trading, this one will be a normal thing to you. Now, this is the difference between someone who trades for 5 years and burns out versus someone who builds a real, reputable, repeated income from trading. Now, if you want deeper knowledge on how to actually pass a funded account, structure your risk, build the psychology to hold real capital, that's exactly what I'm breaking down inside the Wall Street Mystics program. I don't know whenever you're going to be seeing this video. It might be this year, it might be next year, it might be 2 years time. But if you check the link in the description, you're going to see connect with me. If you click on it, you're going to see signals, mentorship, whatever. There is going to be a prop firm course I'm creating on how to structure your prop firm and how to calculate your drawdown, manage all those. This exact mindset that will help you to like never lose a prop firm account unless you break your rules. You know, the type of rules that will help you never to lose a prop firm account and everything. The masterclass will be there. And then I'm going to have my signals too, which are going to be, it's really affordable. Just check the price. I don't have to say it because most of you might think it's too cheap and feel like this guy doesn't know what he's doing. And then I'm going to have private mentorship also and inner circle. Inner circle is just like how I record, how I live my life. That's just basically because I'm someone that is not just a trader. I'm someone that is focusing on building companies. So if you want to see the insight into the life of someone that's actually working so hard to build businesses that matter and stand the test of time, then you can decide to join the inner circle. And trust me, over time, the prices are going to be growing. I know for now, some people will be like, this guy's not even worth it now. Why would I give him this money? Yeah, it doesn't matter. But a time will come when I will be worth more than that money, and you will see the price at a very higher rate. I just pray you don't come by then, because I'm not going to be doing any videos. So, join Wall Street Mystics, link in the description. And if you want to keep learning for free, trust me, subscribe to this channel. I'm posting videos every single day at this time of my life. So you're going to keep getting more and more knowledge on how to get good at trading and even how to get started with prop firm. There will also be free videos on this channel. And what else? I'm going to do a bootcamp sometime. I promised a bootcamp last year. I did it up to 10 days and stopped. There was no engagement. But when this channel grows, I'll do a bootcamp just like TJR. I'll do like 30 days back to back. Then I'll do some live trading. I don't know. I think I'll set a particular day, New York session, where I always come out and trade live. Maybe it will be Wednesday. Like I come out around that New York time, and then we'll be live. We'll live stream for the entire session. A lot of things are going to be coming out on this channel, guys. If you're a trader or you're an aspiring trader, trust me, just get in. So the floor isn't gate kept anymore. The only thing that's stopping you from becoming profitable in this game is whether you treat it like a profession or a gamble. Thank you for watching this video to this point. I remain KNG to the JEAJ of Wall Street, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.